to CocoTeeTV, everyone. Y'all, welcome to my kitchen today, guys. I am going to be participating in the Joy Bells Ringing collaboration that is brought to you by WTF with the Family Tabers, along with so many awesome content creators who all got together and decided that they wanted to start doing HAPI, which stands for Holiday and Party Items. All of the channels that are participating in this collaboration will be in my description box. So I am hoping that everyone who's watching me will go over there and watch them just as well. But today, guys, I'm gonna be in my kitchen making some reindeer snacks. Y'all, these little things are so addictive and so tasty, y'all. I've just been sitting here snacking on them, but I am just so excited to have all of you. So hit that like button on your way into my kitchen. Hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. And y'all, I can't wait to show y'all these, and then come on back and I'm gonna show y'all how I package these up so that I can send them out to the bus driver, the neighbors, whoever wants some. So thank y'all for being here. Let's go into the kitchen. Here are our ingredients for our reindeer snacks. We are going to be using some different varieties of cereal, including the Chex Mix cereal. I got the Great Value kind, don't judge me. Some Rice Crisps, which will be used for the Rice Krispie treats. Some Toasted O's, which are the fake Cheerios. We got some M&Ms and some marshmallows, some pretzel sticks, and I have a variety of toppings and different things we'll need to get these treats and bring them together. We got our handy dandy candy melter back there where we'll be melting some white chocolate. So certainly gonna be exciting getting into these reindeer treats, guys. I am starting to assemble the ingredients so that we can get started on our reindeer snacks. So I got some Cheerios down and I got some pretzel sticks down. Next, I'm gonna put some M&Ms down. You can use any type of M&Ms you want. These are the crispy M&Ms, so they have a little bit of a crunch in them. So we're gonna lay them down on here. This as well. So we got that. Then we're gonna put some marshmallows in here. Everything's starting to come together. I got my white chocolate over there melting. So we're just gonna do that there. Okay, and our other one will be the Chex Mix cereal. So far, this is what we got, y'all, so far. So I got 2 sticks of butter here going, guys, in my pot. We are about to get started on our Rice Krispie treats. We got our Chex Mix back here, just waiting on the white chocolate. So while we're waiting on that, we're gonna go ahead and get this butter to melting so we can start on our Rice Krispie treats. But I do have this Rice Krispie cereal. It is some generic Rice Crisp. I got some marshmallows here and some pure vanilla extract. That's all we're gonna need to make these Rice Krispie treats, guys. So when the butter melts, we're gonna go to the next step. So the butter is nice and melted, as you can see. And you wanna go ahead and get the marshmallows in next. So we're gonna go ahead and start pouring the marshmallows in. And we're gonna let them melt. And like I said, I used 2 sticks of butter, so that was about 3/4 of a bag of small marshmallows, and then I'm gonna put a few big ones in here. And I'm just really eyeballing it, guys. But Look at this. This is how you make Rice Krispie treats. And it's looking like I got a little bit more butter. You don't want it to be too buttery. So put a few more in there because I did use 2 sticks of butter. For the most part, I usually use just 1 stick and 1 bag of the small ones. And I got this on medium to low heat as we let it come together. You want to keep stirring because you do not want your butter to burn. And it's coming together quite nicely. Look at how fluffy that is. I'm going to go ahead and put in some vanilla extract now. This, you don't have to use it if you don't want to, but I've always loved to have that little bit of vanilla taste in mine. And I usually use about a half a capful or a capful depending on how much I make. And the reason I do that is because this can go a long way. A little bit goes a long way. But oh, it smells so good. Look at that come together, guys. Oh yeah. Marshmallow goodness. So we still have a few of the bigger pieces in there, but as you can see, that consistency is just coming out just perfect, and that's exactly how you want it. But you have to move fast with these because you do not want any of this to seize up on you. So what I'm going to do next is go ahead and add my cereal in so that we can start seeing it come together. And you don't want to add all of it at once. You want to mix some in, and then we're going to go back and see what others we need. But as you can see, it's coming together. And this is a lot of marshmallow. So we definitely have to put some more cereal in here because I don't want it to be too wet, but you don't want it to be too dry either. So you really gotta kind of play it by ear on it. But we are gonna be adding some coatings to this so we can actually stand to put some more Rice Krispies in there. But look at how that's coming together. Look at that consistency. Y'all, it smells so good. Y'all let me know out there if you guys like to make Rice Krispie treats. Have you ever made them? And do you like to make them? I know that this is one of my favorite little snacks to munch on year round. And they're so easy to make, but if you don't move fast, you can certainly burn them or mess them up. That is just a great consistency. I'm actually going to go ahead and turn the eye off to stop the heat because everything is fully melted now. Wow. That is perfect. Perfect consistency. So now I am going to move this, and I'm going to move this parchment lined, move this over. Next, you're just going to scoop out your mixture, and we're going to let it start cooling off. Now, you do need to let this mixture cool off before you start handling it. You can use gloves. Now, this mixture is very sticky, so whenever I mold it, I use some Pam spray on my hand to keep it from sticking to my hand. And then I'm going to go ahead and get this in some water so that my pan don't be a mess cleaning. All right, so what I'm going to do next, guys, is just try to spread this out some. Like I said, it's hot to the touch now, so you really don't want to do anything. But it's going to be pliable and moldable here very shortly. But for now, I just like to try to get as much as I can together. It doesn't have to be shaped perfectly. I know mine, they are never shaped perfectly. You can shape them perfectly with your hand. They will cool off a whole lot more. and you'll be able to cut them. But for now, these are the treats. They are coming together, y'all. We're gonna let these cool off for about an hour maybe. And then we are going to come back to them. Okay, so the Rice Krispie treats are back there cooling off, as you guys can see. And then I have the reindeer snacks that are ready for their topping. And this is gonna be the topping, guys. It is some melted white chocolate that I am using in my chocolate melter, candy melter. So the white chocolate is perfectly melted. Look at this. That is perfect. So what I'm gonna do is spoon some of this over here on the treats, and we're just gonna put it over all of these treats here. Look at that. We're not gonna fully coat it, but we're just gonna coat it enough that it distributes kind of evenly. Just have fun at it. Man, I just waste some back there on that stove. That's awful. So as you can see, I'm just having a little fun. So we're going to now mix everything in. This can get messy too, guys. A little messy. M&Ms, you want to make sure you get it evenly distributed. And I typically use my hands, which I am about to start with right now. My hands are impeccably clean. Put some more white chocolate on here. And what I'm going to do next is put some sprinkles on here. Look at that. Oh, that looks so good. So good. But you can put as much or as little chocolate as you want to on here. It's your reindeer snacks. You do what you like with them. But you want to make sure that you have enough treats that are so that it is evenly distributed. What do y'all think about this? Have y'all ever had this? It's just a fun snack for the kids, something for them to snack on during this time of year. I know when I was a kid, I liked to have a bunch of little sweet treats to snack on. We never had this, but this is just something that I've gotten to like over the years as an adult. So what I'm gonna do next, guys, is I am going to, as you can see, my hands are a mess. I am gonna let this cool off in the fridge for about an hour or two, because you want to let that white chocolate set on this. In fact, I'm gonna roll through with another bit of white chocolate. So look at all of that. So look at that. They look so good. Yep. But what I'm gonna do is dip these in some chocolate, and we are going to decorate these in the chocolate that we had left over from the Chex Mix, which is all dried. These are the reindeer snacks. And what I'm gonna do with the reindeer snacks, guys, I'm gonna put them in some treat bags that I got from the either Party City or the Dollar Tree, but I'm gonna put these in treat bags, and we're gonna be giving some of them out to like the bus driver, his teacher, and a couple of other people, maybe some of our neighbors. So what I'm gonna do is do some designs on these. And I forgot, guys, that this comes out, and I could have used that to pour over there, but I wasn't even thinking at the time. However, I am going to go ahead and start dipping some of these so we can start on our design. And guys, they are sticky because you want to let that backside dry just as well. But I'm going to go ahead and dip them in, because now we got to let this dry. this chocolate has to dry. So we're just gonna dip a couple and let them dry. Put different designs on them. I don't know what all I'm gonna do yet, but I'm gonna come up with something. Ooh, that's hot. Oh my goodness, that is so good, y'all. Oh my goodness. But look at that. Look at that. So pretty. And homemade treats are just the best. Just the best. So this little snowman ball thing was an epic fail. But I do have some chocolate on these. I'm going to do some type of design on these. I'm not sure what I'm going to end up with. But we will be showing you guys the finished results. Exciting and delicious. That was funny. Oh, y'all are back. Yes, y'all. So did you like it? Here they are. These are the Rice Krispie treats. Did a few designs on there.
And as Mom said, I'm going to be here. So here I am, guys.
Yes. We are drinking some hot chocolate and eating some reindeer snacks. So Eli, tell everyone what you think of the reindeer snacks.
The reindeer snacks are delicious. Delicious.
Look at them, guys. You can just sit here and snack on these, watch movies, drink you some hot chocolate. Cheers. Hot chocolate. Ooh. That's hot. But
Hey, Mom, can I get a spoon?
yes. Go ahead.
Excuses.
So guys, I really do appreciate y'all for coming into my kitchen and seeing how these awesome treats come together. Look at these, guys. They are so cool. I wanted to do a snowman, but it was an epic fail. But look at this.
Hey guys, on that
Subscribe.
on that latest video we did, who liked that thank note from me, that latest video?
Look at this one. The thank you note.
Mhm.
Oh yeah, at the end of the video. Yep, a lot of people commented on that. And so we made some little reindeer treat bags. We're gonna give these out. Some of you may be familiar with Mr. Keller. That's his bus driver. He's gonna give Mr. Keller some of these in the morning, maybe 2 of them, one for him, one for his wife. But these are just awesome. We're gonna give our neighbors some. We got a retired couple across the street. They love sweet treats. We're gonna give them some. And we're just gonna give them out. Eli had a class party today at school, so we've already given them some sweet treats at school. But we just love this time of year, guys. Y'all let us know down in the comments if you plan on making some of these reindeer snacks. We'd love to see what y'all think of them. They are just too much fun. Look at that.
All the fun is in the reindeer crackers. I meant the reindeer snacks.
Yep.
I said reindeer crackers.
Yes. But we really do appreciate it. We had a great time. We want y'all to watch all of those other amazing channels. They're all going to be in my description box. Make sure y'all check them out. And we certainly look forward to seeing y'all next time. So be sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. See you next time on CocoTeeTV, and happy holidays.
Bye.
Happy HAPI holidays.
HAPI.
Yes. Happy. It stands for holiday and party items. Happy holidays.
Party items.
Bye.